Hello and welcome to One India. I am Divya S. Sharma. Today we bring to you a story of transformation and ambition on India's western coast. With India's maritime trade poised to expand significantly, a revolutionary project has emerged to spearhead this growth, the Vadhavan Port in Maharashtra. This visionary project aims to reshape the economic landscape of Maharashtra, boost India's trade capabilities, and place the country among global maritime leaders. India's coastline has always held tremendous potential. However, until now, much of it has remained underutilized, limited by infrastructure and the lack of ports that can handle ultra-large vessels. Now, this is where Vadhavan Port comes in. Set along Maharashtra's Arabian coast near Dahanu, Vadhavan Port is projected to become India's largest and most advanced port upon completion. With an estimated handling capacity of over 23 million 20-foot equivalent units or TEUs, this project is a massive leap forward for India's maritime infrastructure. At a cost of approximately rupees 76,220 crores, Vadhavan Port is poised to not only handle India's increasing trade volumes, but also reduce the country's dependence on costly transshipment hubs in neighboring countries. Now, ultra-large ships will now be able to dock directly on Indian shores, a benefit that will enhance export efficiency and reduce logistics costs for Indian businesses. The Vadhavan Port project is driven by political vision and determination of Maharashtra's Mahayuti government. Under the leadership of Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, this project has gained critical momentum. This duo has emphasized their commitment to transform Maharashtra's infrastructure, particularly in Western Maharashtra, to unleash new economic opportunities. One of the key achievements of this initiative is the creation of the Vadhavan Port Project Limited, a special purpose vehicle that represents a unique collaboration between the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority and the Maharashtra Maritime Board. Now, this partnership marks the first instance of union and state governments jointly developing a greenfield port, underscoring the Mahayuti government's commitment to driving progress and innovation in Maharashtra. What makes the Vadhavan Port truly revolutionary is its strategic location. Just 12 kilometers from the dedicated rail freight corridor and 22 kilometers from the Mumbai-Vadodara Expressway, Vadhavan has exceptional connectivity to the industrial hubs across Maharashtra, Gujarat and northern India. This means faster transit times, lower logistic costs and better integration with the national supply chain, all critical factors that will attract trade and investment to Maharashtra. Another advantage of Vadhavan's design is the minimal onshore disruption. The port's main operational area is entirely reclaimed offshore, sparing Maharashtra's coastal lands from major land acquisition. The impact of Vadhavan Port will extend well beyond Maharashtra's shores. By serving a vast hinterland, including states like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and beyond, Vadhavan is positioned to become a crucial economic hub for India. The government envisions the port as a catalyst for growth in several industries, particularly in Western Maharashtra. With new business opportunities in manufacturing, electronics and specialty textiles, Vadhavan is expected to boost employment, attract investments and position Maharashtra as a competitive player both nationally and internationally. Under Fadnavis and Shinde's leadership, the Mahayuti government is not only addressing current demands but also preparing Maharashtra to thrive in the future. Now, their visions align with India's long-term trade and infrastructure goals, empowering Maharashtra to emerge as a frontrunner in economic landscape. As part of the Sagarmala program, Vadhavan Port has prioritized sustainability alongside economic growth. With Maharashtra's biodiversity in mind, the project incorporates eco-friendly practices in cargo handling, energy use, and minimized dredging. Now, this balanced approach is a testament to the Mahayuti government's commitment to sustainable development. Looking to future, Vadhavan Port is set to connect India to major global trade routes like the International North-South Transportation Corridor and the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor. This alignment will reduce India's dependence on the Suez Canal and create shorter, more economical routes for Indian goods to reach international markets. Vadhavan Port is not just a port, it's a symbol of India's ambition and Mahayuti government's dedication to uplifting Maharashtra's economy. By establishing a world-class port along India's western coast, the Fadnavis-Shinde duo is transforming Maharashtra into a global maritime player, boosting trade and building a brighter future for the state. Thank you so much for watching.